Have you ever heard the saying about when there's a burning building, most people are running away from it, but heroes are running toward it? Healthcare workers feel that same call. While others are driving away from storms, we're driving into storms, ensuring that the sick and the most vulnerable are being taken care of, doing everything we can do to be there for our community. We salute everyone on the front line: police, fire rescue, first responders. Thanks to all of you for your courage to run toward it.